All right. We got Chicky Boo there, my hybrid. And we got Lemon Pie. Those two are together. Well, what? Oh yeah, I used to say hybrid, but it's called hybrid. Yes. I try to catch him on video singing, but apparently he doesn't do that. I mean, he sings, but I can't catch him doing it on video. He has a very unique, weird sound. And that's Pepper, my Crested Society. And that's Mary Jane. Yeah, Lemon Pie is the biggest one out of all of them. But she just sits there, so she's cool as hell. Isn't that right? By the way, he's a zebra / society. If you can see his beak and his face, but he has a coloring of a zebrafinch and a face of a society. All right, bye-bye.